Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to reset forgotten Etsy password. Okay, so let's open Etsy application on our device and go to Profile Picture in the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings, and now we want to find a line that says Fine-tune your account settings and visit this link that Etsy application provides me. And now I want to scroll down to section that says passwords, and I need to go to my Etsy Help Center. Now go to section that says reset your password right here. Also, I have some instructions on how to do it if you forgot your password and some other instructions, but I want to press this black button that says reset your password. Now I need to provide my email address for my account and then tap submit button. Then you have to check your email inbox for some new emails. And now I want to press reset your password now button. And finally, you can enter your new password right here in this field, and also you need to confirm. That means re-enter your new password. And also you can use this button, show button, in order to see a password to avoid some misspellings or mistakes. And finally, when you are ready to save some changes, you have to press set password button. And that's how you can reset your forgotten Etsy password. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.